ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn about the verb can. We use can to talk about ability, what we are able to do, and permission, what we are allowed to do. Let's explore it in affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms with lots of examples. Affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, we say what someone can do. I can read a book. She can ride a bike. He can play the guitar. We can dance together. They can swim fast. You can draw a picture. My dog can jump high. I can speak English. We can sing a song. He can run quickly. Negative sentences. In negative sentences, we use cannot or can't to say what someone is not able or not allowed to do. I can't fly an airplane. He cannot drive a car. She can't speak French. We can't go outside now. They cannot play the drums. You can't eat in class. My cat can't talk. I cannot lift this box. He can't come to the party. We can't watch TV now. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we ask questions with can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can she play the piano? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Can he draw a house? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can we go to the park? Yes, we can. No, we can't. Can they dance? Yes, they can. No, they can't. Can I borrow your book? Yes, you can. No, you can't. Can you help me? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Awesome job, kids! Today we learned how to use can in affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Remember, we use can to show what we can do, what we cannot do, and to ask for ability or permission. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will be a grammar superstar. See you next time.